Here we have a 7x12 horizontal vertical bandsaw. Has a little bit of shipping distress. We'll show you that in a moment. But most importantly, it does operate. It's unused. It's in fairly good condition. So we checked all the speeds on the gearbox, and you just strip these out on the fly. Now we have the motor here. The motor shroud is missing. There's a plastic, probably broke off. We don't know. There's a little dent in the junction box right here. Okay, and then got the hydraulic feed control right here. Well, this bracket is broken, so you have to replace that or repair it or what have you. The hydraulic feed control does operates very nice. And use a coolant pump. We tested the coolant pump, and that operates. Your on-off switch. Shut the machine off. Now, if the hydraulic feed control was operating, what happens is the head comes down and it shuts this bracket hits the switch, turns the machine off. It's 220 volt, single phase. Got a few paint scratches on the cabinet here. It includes 4 casters, 2 axles, material stop, your sump screen, and the instruction parts manual.